Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about Bittorrent token. What's the price changes occur in the BTT token. Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, please click the subscribe button for more news and updates videos about Bittorrent token. Guys, in this video I'm talking about the future plan of the Bittorrent token. What is the future plan? Is in the future the price of BTT token will pump or dump? Let me show you guys. Now guys, the currently price of the BTT token in the market is 0.004082 USD dollar. That is the live price today of the BTT token in the market. And the other side, if we talk about the changes occur in the BTT token, so now completely guys, the changes is a negative going wrong. Last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, the whole changes of the Bittorrent token is going wrong. But you know what guys, that's not mean then you lose hope. No, don't lose hope. Everything will be okay. You have to just patience. A lot of people when they see us falls down, so they decide to sell. No. But I believe when the price falls down, so you have to happy. Because after falls there is a jump. After falls there is a jump. And now possibilities guys that the future the price of BTT token will pump, but you have to patience for the pump. Now guys, I believe that after 1 week falls, now they continue with this falls for 1 week, and after 1 week falls the price will again pump. What do you think about that? Just tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates.